Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name's Christine, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the We Are Memory Keepers ShotBox. And as you can tell by this first image here, a ShotBox is going to help us take a better photo. I want to start here by showing you that I have a very small home, and for me to take a picture on a nice little easel like this can be a little difficult because, as you can see, I've got my table, I've got chairs, I've got walls, I've got shadows on the walls, things on the walls. There's actually no place in my home to take a photo without something blocking me. So that's where Photoboxes come in handy, and in this particular case, the ShotBox from We Are Memory Keepers. So I'm going to bring in the box. This here is how the box comes. It's a hard plastic and it's folded down. Now, just for ease sake, I'm going to plug it in already. I'll turn it around so we can see it, because once it's set up, there is a main port and there's also a place for USB. So I'm just going to plug it in there so we don't have to worry about that later. But I would recommend setting it up first before, I'm going to move my placemat, before doing set it up before plugging it in, but for ease sake. So I'm going to lift this up, and Mark's going to go down low, and you'll see when I lift it up, a panel's going to come through the back and keep it in place. So you see how that folded right down. Lovely. Now, because I already have it plugged in, I'm going to turn it on so it's not a black hole. There is a dimmer here that you can go low or high. So you can now see inside the box easier. So we're still setting it up. So on the side over here, down here, there's this sets in there. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So now it is a nice sturdy box. The next thing we have is our bottom plate, and it's black or it can be white, and it just sits right in like that. And your box is set up. It has holes on top here that you can put your camera down through the holes and take photos straight on, or of course this way. Now it also comes with two backdrops. We have a white and a black. We're going to put the black up. And you'll see here, there are two little areas that this just slides in. I think I rolled it backwards when I rolled it back up. And fits into the box. So now when I put my card back in, I have a nice backdrop that I can get in there and take my picture. Now, there's also a few accessories that come. Oh, before I talk about the accessories, I'll talk about the lights. This switch here allows you...
I can't really see it because we're all really bright, but there's a switch there.
There's a switch here. And when you go in, you'll see that it will turn off the light for both or just one. So if for one reason or another you only want it lit on one side, you have that opportunity. It also comes with a bag to store it in. But if you wanted to upgrade your bag, you can purchase this really nice padded bag with a bunch of pockets, the main pocket, back pocket to store all your accessories. There are also a couple of different backdrops. So there's this light gray and then a green screen. So you can take your photo on this and then put different backgrounds, just like in the movies, you know, your green screen. So that could be sort of fun depending what you're taking photos of. There's also another set that is a darker gray and a cream color. So if you wanted a little softer than the white. And even for more fun, there's a color background pack. So if you wanted a base in one color and a background in another color, this is the whole range of colors. And this isn't just paper, it's like a nice firm plastic, and you can just adhere it to the bottom and the back with a bit of tape, and just to hold it in place, or even just sit it there. It will probably sit because it's pretty sturdy. And that is the We Are Memory Keepers ShotBox. Now, I've had a few photo boxes, and what I like about this one is it's very easy to assemble. The lights are already all installed. You don't have to do any of that. You just plug it in, and it's not hard to set up, and I love that it comes with these backdrops, because I've had other boxes where I had to buy a piece of paper and do that myself. So this is a really great kit, and especially for taking photos for Instagram or your blog, you'll be able to get a nice photo even if you live in a small home like we do. So check out the ShotBox from We Are Memory Keepers. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time Videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.